Alright, hey guys, I'm at lovely store 178 with some beautiful network issues. So network sent me these cool little tools, one-click cleaners, basically to clean the fiber optics. So, honestly it's basically floss, is what it is. So I'm going to show you guys how to use these. So first we got SFPs, Cisco's. All you got to do is you got two fiber ports right in there. Pretty much, this is difficult with one hand. Just put it right in and then push until it clicks. That's about it. And same for the other one. And you can see, maybe, that little thing comes out. See if I can get a better picture. Little floss comes out, twists, and cleans. So, let's go over here. So that's how you do the SFPs. Obviously I don't have an SFP that's open and I don't want to unplug any. What else we got? So, okay. We've got these little patch panels. Simple enough. It's basically, you know, little hole you gotta go dig into. So you can't use the square on these. You have to use the green circle ones. Pretty much just stick it in, push, and clean. And then what else we got? Okay, so the fiber ends here. So these fiber ends are a little tricky because, well, they're just kind of open end. So grab it. It kind of fits, kind of doesn't. So I can do this. Click, clean, done. You can do the same for this end. Just right on the tip here.